Thickening agents, beyond cornstarch.
Hello, culinary enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a popular topic in the cooking world, thickening agents. We often turn to cornstarch as a reliable thickener in sauces, gravies, and pies, but what if you want to mix it up, or you're out of cornstarch? Luckily, there are plenty of alternatives, each with their own unique properties. Let's take a look at some of these cornstarch alternatives.
What's so special about flour?
First up is the age-old staple in our pantries, flour. Flour is made by grinding grains or other starchy food sources. It's a versatile thickening agent, although it requires more quantity than cornstarch to achieve the same effect. The key here is to cook the flour in butter or oil to create a roux before adding it to your dish to avoid a raw flour taste.
How can I use arrowroot?
Next on our list is arrowroot, a lesser-known but highly effective thickener. Derived from a tropical plant, arrowroot gives your dishes a glossy finish, making it perfect for pie fillings or glazes. It's more powerful than flour, but doesn't withstand high temperatures or prolonged cooking as well as some other thickeners.
Can tapioca be a thickener?
Absolutely. Tapioca is made from the starchy cassava root and comes in several forms, including flakes, pearls, and flour. Tapioca provides a shiny, transparent finish and a chewy texture, making it great for sweet pies and puddings. Be aware that it can create a somewhat stringy texture, which isn't for everyone.
What about potato and rice starch?
Good thinking. Both potato starch and rice starch can be effective thickeners. Potato starch tolerates higher temperatures and is a fantastic choice for dishes that need a thickener added late in the cooking process. Rice starch, on the other hand, provides a creamy texture and is often used in soups and dairy-based sauces.
Are there any protein-based thickeners?
Yes, indeed. One example is gelatin, which is great for a wide variety of desserts and sauces. Gelatin needs to be dissolved in water and then heated, creating a gel as it cools. Another protein-based thickener is eggs, which are especially common in custards and sauces. Just remember to temper them carefully to avoid scrambling. And there you have it. 5 fantastic alternatives to cornstarch, each offering unique characteristics to enhance your culinary creations. Whether you're trying to avoid cornstarch due to dietary restrictions or just looking to mix things up, these alternatives provide plenty of possibilities. Happy cooking, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting culinary adventures.